And there's big breaking news coming in from the Bombay High Court now, which has rejected a case challenging BCCI's constitutional amendment, which allows N. Srinivasan to contest from the East Zone during the annual general meeting, which is slated for the 20th of November. Harini Rana with us for more on this. Harini, so the Bombay High Court has rejected the Cricket Association of Bihar's petition in the court. What exactly transpired in court today and the basis for which the court said it is actually rejecting the petition?
Well, the Cricket Association of Bihar had filed pleas on 2 counts. One, of course, challenging the conflict of interest amendment that was made by the BCCI. And also the second one was the amendment of Rule 15, which basically stated that allowed any member to be nominated from any zone, so not particularly East Zone, should nominate a member from the East Zone. The judge, while reading out the judgment, the 2-bench judge stated that unless 2 members of the zone form it, no person can contest elections and amendments can't be tested on basis of assumptions and presumptions, and that's exactly one of the main grounds on which the 2-bench judge of the Mumbai High Court have rejected this plea that was filed by the Cricket Association of Bihar. And also it stated that at this point of time, with no material that has been placed on record, the challenge is totally unacceptable. So these are the 2 grounds on which Cricket Association of Bihar had filed a plea, which clearly now sort of paves way or sort of clears the path, even though the Supreme Court verdict will decide more or less future of Mr. Srinivasan as a cricket administrator. But this sort of clears the fact that he can be nominated from East Zone if 2 members propose and nominate his name.
Yes, well, Harini, exactly. So now the Cricket Association of Bihar was really relying heavily on this development today. They were hoping it was going to be favorable for them. But with that petition now dismissed, as you said, all eyes are going to be on the Supreme Court and what happens on Friday. But this verdict seemed to be perceivably favorable to N. Srinivasan. That could also have a bearing on how the entire case and the entire situation is perceived on Friday by the Apex Court.
Well, absolutely. Now, even though this petition has been dismissed by the Bombay High Court, everything will hinge on the fact that what exactly unfolds at the Supreme Court, because that clearly will decide fate of Mr. Srinivasan as the cricket administrator in terms of his son-in-law Gurunath Mayappan being involved in betting or not, and all of those allegations that stand against him, will they be proven, or what the reading of the Supreme Court will be. But this, at this point of time, the Bombay High Court 2-bench judge, the verdict, or rather the judgment that they've read out, the order on various other counts will be issued in a couple of days. But the judge clearly stated that on basis of these 2 counts, the petition has been rejected because there is no enough evidence that has been placed on record for the judge to look into the matter, and also the judge mincing no words while stating that no order can be passed on hearsay or any matters that has been put forth by the Cricket Association of Bihar